Hello, platinum members of Funnels Done. Now the time is 12:40 a.m. It's a midnight. Still, I'm recording this video. The reason is I'm really care for your results. Usually, I promise 10x results with the Funnels Done, right? So today, right now, I want to share with you a simple strategy that will help you minimum 2x results in next 2 to 3 days itself, and it's very easy to implement. Do you really want to know? Are you really serious to implement this? Then you watch this further video. So usually what we do, we run a landing page, right? So you have a landing page where people register for the masterclass. So here we are running a landing page. This is for a masterclass on instant heal therapy. I'm running this masterclass for last more than 2 years, almost it's 3 years now. Made more than 2 crores revenue with this masterclass. Okay, usually when you're running ads for more than a year, it will get saturated. The ad budget, the cost will increase, the CPL will be very much high. So we need more strategies to reduce the ad expenses. Okay, so here I'm selling this masterclass for 299 rupees. Okay. Here I used a strategy called bumper offer. What is that? Bumper offer to minimize the ad expenses, to make profit from the ads itself. That means to get the leads, okay, Facebook will pay us actually. We are not paying the Facebook. Facebook will pay us to get the leads. It's insane. So how to do that? Let's see the framework now. So when leads, people, the visitors click on the button. Okay, this is a landing page. Anywhere, everywhere, the button is there. So when they click on the button, they go to the Instamojo payment page. Okay, so this is the funnel. Okay, so here they click on the buy ticket. This is a 299 product. They fill the name, email, and phone number. And here I added one more option called, want recordings and certificate. It's an optional upgrade. Okay, it's called bumper offer. So when they click select an option, they get two options. Do you want live with all recordings and certification, or you want only live session? If it's a only live session, it's only 299. But most of them they go for with all recordings and certification, it becomes 799. That means I'm making more. So I'm here asking 500 extra for recording and certification. And most of the people opt for the upgrade actually. So they click and they go for the payment page. Okay. So here I'm getting minimum 2x actually from the ads itself. Do you want the proof? Let me share with you. Okay, here is my ads manager. Okay, this is the ads I'm running. So here I spend almost 1,700 rupees. How much? 1,700 rupees. Okay, the date is 19th November. That means now it's a midnight, 12:30 a.m. So yesterday is showing, okay, 19th November 2023. So if you go to the sales, payment page, see here is November 1923. Here I got the sales, okay. Almost I got seven sales. Out of seven sales, five are 799. It's awesome. Almost, more than 70%, they upgraded for 800 rupees. Okay, so here I made almost 4,600 rupees. Okay, 4,600 rupees out of 1,700 rupees. It's more than 2x, almost 3x it is. All right. Okay, let's see how to do this for your account. Okay, so when you go to the payment page, Instamojo payment page, okay, so when they click the landing page, they visit here only. So when you are logged in with your admin account in Instamojo, you can see this toolbar called dashboard, edit, and more option. You go to more option here. Can you see the more option here? Okay, here more option. You click the more option. Here you can come down in the drop down. Okay, here you can see the variants. Click on the variants. Now you can see category name. You can edit the category name, same as like this, or you can change it, but it works fine. You can copy paste same. You can submit it. Then here there is a name, right? For the name you have to write down no only live session. Okay, here put 0 because no only live session means it's the same price what we mentioned in the landing page. Okay, here you leave it blank for the unlimited. Okay, uh, add the variant, and don't click this. If you click this it will be reserved. Don't click this, just add the variant. Okay, next, live with all recordings and certification. Here you mentioned the extra price only. Already we are asking 299. Now extra 500, and here you leave it blank and add the variant. So this is how you will add option. Okay, here you can make extra money. Okay, so I'm really excited about how you are going to implement this and how you are going to get the result. Look at this, almost 26 sold for the normal session, and 16 upgrades happened. It's huge, almost 16 people are upgraded to 799. Okay, so it's a small tweak, increased your revenue multiple times. So make use of it. Don't miss this. As soon as you finish this video, go to your Instamojo page and make the change, and let me know how much revenue you increased generated. Okay, and you just copy. You take a screenshot and share it in our platinum members WhatsApp group, and stay tuned for more kind of values. So there are many futures will create your fortune actually. So future to fortune, we are going to create multiple videos. So stay tuned, be in the group, engage and earn more. So we'll see you soon. Take care. Bye bye.